Guy, why is it called taking a dump when you're leaving it?
Ryan, when I kicked you out, it did not mean you could start living on my roof.
Kind of funny how being down for something and up for something mean the same thing.
Well, can you at least fix my satellite while you're up there? I'm not getting any HBO.
If you're in the living room and you pass away, did you die or you just knocked out?
Well, you're not in my living room right now, so what is that about to make you?
Why is the pizza box a square if the pizza is a circle and the slice is a triangle? Yo, why is it called a building if it's already built?
Get off!
How does a sponge hold water if it's full of holes?
The prophecy is true.